Hello friends, so in this video we will see how to install React JS in Visual Studio. So after this installation you will be able to run your React code and also launch the React app in localhost. So let's first come to the terminal, new terminal, and in the terminal we are going to run our code to install React JS. So first of all, what we have to do, you just install a package by using some following commands. So let's install curl, make sure you are writing the correct code. I have given the code in the description, you can see. You can also copy and paste here so that there could not cause any error. Yeah, fine. Write your password. As you all know, in Ubuntu it will not show password while you are writing. Yeah, it is done. So now the next command is quite long, so I will just copy and paste from some place. So just paste it, run it. Yeah, it is done. So now next install node source setup.sh by using again the sudo command. Yeah, it is done. Let's clear the screen first. Yeah, so now let's install our Node.js. By using Node.js we will install create React app that will help in using the npm or npx command, so that we can get all the source file or modules related to React. So let's install it. apt get install node js -v. Yeah, correct. So it is installed. You know what, since I have already installed, so that's why it is showing that the following package were automatically installed. So now let's see the node version. After you have installed the Node.js, you just see what is the version available in your PC. Just write this. Look, in my PC the version is this one. So now let's see the npm version by just writing npm -v. Yeah, this is the version of npm. So now you are going to create an app in React. So first off, let's get the source file by using npx command. This will use now everywhere when you want to create an app and get the source file of React. Everywhere you now use create React app. So let's write name of the app is demo. You can write anyone. So let's run it. It will take time, and make sure your interconnect connection is working. It will take few minutes to install. Yeah, Now it is installed, it is saying. So let's open the folder in the Visual Studio, that is demo. Since I have created this folder, so this is your path of the folder that you have created, home. This directory will be same. Go to the home folder and open your app. So I am just making it short. Come here, Explorer, open folder, and come to home and open demo. Now click OK. Now look, here is your all the files related to React. Now you are able to write React code. So this source will contain all the file, app.css, js, and this React is rendered in the this public contains HTML file. So here it will be rendered in the root id. Look here. Okay, so let's change the code so that I can show you the hello world application, app.js. So first of all, let me show you the React localhost, how to launch it. Again, open terminal, and then you are at, make sure that you are at the demo directory, and start your application so that it will launch the localhost. Yeah, this is your localhost. So it will load since I haven't written the code. So let's write. I'm just writing the hello world. You just delete all the header and write here h1 hello world. So this is, so let's see in the localhost. Yeah, look, here it is showing my hello world, and this is your React. These all the pages are created in the React. If you want to add more component, then you just in the source you can create a component like writing new file, and if you want to create home, then you just write, and make sure that you are right while creating a component. You have to write the component name should be capital and write it JSX, because you know in React we create component by using .jsx file. So this is your component, and you can use this component inside the app. So this is, guys, what I wanted to show you. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.